And I'm gonna attempt the Allure braid. I first saw this, I believe it was last year on Spirit of Texas Mums. I just saw it on one of her mums. I didn't know the name of it or anything. Or I may have seen that she named it that or something. I'm not sure. But anyway, I thought it was a gorgeous braid, but I had no idea how to do it. And then Miss Connie posted a video on how to do it. And so I was very eager to try it. I did this one earlier and it didn't, it was a little tricky for me, but, and I ran out of ribbon, but that's okay. It's just a little tester. So this time I'm doing it with the 5/8 inch ribbon. And I made the first, not the first one here, but I can undo it. So this one is 1/3 the length of these, and all of them are doubled, and the shiny sides are both facing out. Okay, I added weight like Connie suggested, and then the first fold is going to be the one on the right here to go like this. Make like a loop almost, like that. And then you're gonna take your left ribbon, or for me it's my blue, put it over both, under right here, including this back ribbon, and through that hole right there. Tighten it up. Now this is the part that's a bit tricky to me. Or not really tricky, it's just kind of, I don't want to accidentally let one go and flop the wrong way. So I don't think that's how it's supposed to go. See, this is where I think it did flip over in the wrong way. But let's just try again. Let's just see. Okay, so I may be cutting this and trying this part again, but let's just see real quick. Okay, if we go over or under, yeah, well, actually, I think that is right. It's just, okay, so the problem, or not problem, but the difficult part for me is to keep the flips right when I'm trying to tighten it up. I'm gonna start back from here. So if I'm having that issue, I'm sure other people are as well. Okay. So we do the little flip part. Take this one, put it under right here. And then I'm putting it right through this one. Okay, and as we're tightening it up, here's the part. This is where I lose it somehow. I still need to figure out how. Oh, see, I let that one go and I don't think I'm supposed to. Okay, so let's just see what happens. I can see it's trying to do right, but okay, so let's try it again. So we did the little fold down, and then we're gonna twist it over. I'm trying to keep those even. Okay. Okay, pull our blue over, around, and through the black and blue right here. Okay, and then I think my problem was I was making it too big and trying to tighten it up, and then it wouldn't tighten up properly. It would flip over. I gave it room to flip over. Okay, so we'll do it again. So then we flip, don't forget to flip your black down. Twist again, the black. I'm going to take this one over, put it right through here. And there. And then cinch it up carefully, because then the ribbons will flip back over on you. So if you just do it little by little, it will work out. Okay, and then we flip this side. So once again, I'm going to do it a couple more times and then pause and finish it up. I know Connie was saying this one goes pretty fast. For me, it doesn't, just because I haven't practiced much yet and I'm not able to keep a hold of the ribbons very well when I tighten it up. But I may need to add more weight on the bottom. I think she did suggest that, so I probably need to try that as well. But I still love it. And I even love the back. I love the corkscrew look on the back. Okay, so we take it, flip it over just like this. I'm trying to make it where you can see, and then we take it through these, loop it here, and I'm going to try to tighten it without losing the fold. The one that I have a problem with is losing the fold on the black and the blue, my two side ribbons. The middle one doesn't really flip around for me. It doesn't flip around or anything. Okay. Again, I'm making this one in a smaller size. I really like it. It's going to go on a garter, so I need it a little smaller. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so I made it down here. And I'm going to staple it off, but I think I'm going to put, yeah, I think that's how it's supposed to go. I mean, I cover that up anyway, usually, but okay. So I'm going to grab the stapler. I'm going to try to keep the angles the same. And okay, so here it is. Now the nice thing about this one is you can kind of pull it down and make it a little longer afterwards, but here's the back, which I love. So here's my Allure in 5/8. And I will come back maybe or update it with the bling added. Thanks, guys.